Hi, my name is Shivam Gupta. I was enrolled with Anastasis Academy for FITA 4.0, and needless to say, this has been one of the best decisions that I've made during this year as far as CAT is concerned. The best thing about Shankar sir is he'll start from the absolute scratch, and during the whole process, he'll guide you to become a better problem solver and to think critically, which according to me is one of the most crucial skills that is required to ace CAT or any other kind of management entrance exam. Along with these lectures, there are regular lectures on test taking strategies, which according to me are also very important. Personally speaking, ever since I have started incorporating these strategies during my live mocks, my scores had started to improve significantly, and this has helped me to reach my desired score in the actual exam. Along with being a great teacher, Shankar sir is a great mentor who is there with you during the whole course of the journey and is willing to listen to all kind of your problems and discuss the possible solutions with you. My experience with the Anastasis Academy has been brilliant, and if you are a CAT aspirant preparing for CAT or any other management entrance exam, my suggestion would be to enroll with Anastasis Academy, regularly solve all the exercises and worksheets that sir has to provide, and I'm sure by the end of the process you'll reach your desired score and perhaps even more. Thanks.